The question I'm discussing is 2024 question from social issues and social justice topics of GS paper 2. Critically analyze the proposition that there is a high correlation between India's cultural diversities and socio-economic marginalities. I think it's a very interesting question, and I have given this question as a part of my Telegram group exercise where I share questions and students write answers. Do check up the answers students have written on assignment 28 on the Telegram channel Shabbir Educemi for IAS. On this channel, I discuss questions and how to answer and structure your content also. Now, this question is a very interesting question for many reasons. One is, most students interpreted the question very incorrectly. They missed out the word critically analyze. It says critically analyze the proposition. द प्रपोजिशन का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब है एक आइडिया आपको प्रपोज किया जा रहा है, एक आइडिया आपको सजेस्ट किया जा रहा है और आप इसको क्रिटिकली एनालाइज करें. क्रिटिकली एनालिसिस ऑफ एनीथिंग मीन्स गो डीप, डिस्कस द व्हाई एंड ऑल्सो टेल मी इफ इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. So this idea that critically analyze the proposition that because of cultural diversities we have marginalization, there is a relationship between कल्चरल डाइवर्सिटीज एंड मार्जिनलाइजेशन, ये आइडिया प्रपोज किया गया है. आप बताओ, आप एग्जामिन करो, आप इवेल्युएट करो क्या ये सही है. अगर सही है तो क्यों सही है, अगर सही नहीं है तो क्यों सही नहीं है. What students have done in this assignment 28 on my Telegram channel Shabbir Educemi for IAS, most of them gave a list of what are the types of marginalizations. Tribal marginalization, minority marginalization, caste-based marginalization, women issues marginalization. तो आपने लिस्टिंग तो कर दिया marginalization का, लेकिन डिस्कस ये नहीं किया कि why this is because of the cultural diversities. So आपको कहना था कि कैसे cultural diversities में there is a sense of identity loss and that creates conflicts and marginalization. How cultural diversities में generally कोई ना कोई group बन जाता है majority, and if the majority is not well managed, there can be marginalization because of exploitation and again conflicts. Large diversity also means generally large territories. अगर बड़ा area है, there will be remote locations, there will be locations which are not accessible. And because of that, the tribal or the cultural diversity that develop, they will end up getting marginalized. So आपको discuss करना था why this is there, and because it says critically analyze, also talk about the other side. कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है that wherever we have diversity, we will definitely have marginalization. No. Example in India is Tamil Nadu. Example in India is Kerala, where despite diversity, the marginalization is not much. I will not say that societies are all equal, that every society has perfectly correlated development across communities. ऐसा भी नहीं है. But if you compare the diversities in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, they have not resulted in that much of marginalization. So while there is a correlation, yes, more diversity means more marginalization, like we have in northern plains. We have the marginalization of tribal areas, remote areas, hill regions. बट ऐसा भी नहीं है कि एवरी टाइम वी हैव डाइवर्सिटी वी विल डेफिनेटली हैव मार्जिनलाइजेशन. इसका बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल है यूएस में न्यूयॉर्क के रीजन कॉल्ड एज द क्वींसबरा. नाउ क्वींस में इट्स कंसिडर्ड एज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डाइवर्स लोकेशंस ऑफ द अर्थ. हमारे प्लैनेट में, हमारे पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम्स में क्वींस, वहाँ पे एरिया है कॉल्ड वुड्स. वैसे एक और एरिया कॉल्ड कोलोराडो स्प्रिंग्स. यहाँ पर ट्रिमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी है, बट इट हैज़ नॉट लेड टू मार्जिनलाइजेशन. So marginalization में क्या होता है? While cultural diversities definitely create conditions where there can be conflicts, there can be loss of development, inclusiveness. But the actual reason of marginalization is generally political apathy. It is because of bad planning. It's because of maybe unresponsive policies. So your answers have concluded that cultural diversities definitely can create conditions where there can be marginalization. But the actual marginalization is not because of diversity, it's because of the political process, planning, and a historical history of hierarchies and exploitation. So it's a very nice question to discuss. In fact, what I feel, most of you do not need too much of classes on foundation. You don't need to join a test series immediately. What you need is discussions of this kind. What does the question mean? What are the keywords? What are the question descriptors? कौन से पार्ट में ज़्यादा फोकस करना है, कौन से पार्ट में कम फोकस करना है. तो ये हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं टेलीग्राम चैनल में. असाइनमेंट 28 ये पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन है ऑन शबीर एडुकेमी फॉर IAS. जब ये आप आंसर लिख रहे हो, मेक श्योर आपको आंसर को स्ट्रक्चर कैसे करना है, ऑर्गेनाइज कैसे करना है. द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर शुड हैव बीन, yes, there is a correlationship because there are examples where we have more diversities, we do have marginalization. As in northern plains of India, maybe northeastern India or parts of central India जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा tribal diversity है. Then the second part will be, this correlationship is maybe related to majoritism, may be related to issues of historical exploitation, maybe it is related to hierarchy that develops because of disparity, it can be because of identity politics. So this is the reason why marginalization is because of the diversity. Then they switch the answer towards saying that this correlationship is not always a linear relationship. It's a very complex one, and the actual reasons why the marginalization sets in is the political planning apathy, where there is less of grassroots mobilization and an identity politics that creates conflicts and therefore forces marginalization because of alienation, because of the feeling of otherness. So ये आंसर लिखें आप लोग और टेलीग्राम चैनल में जाएं. मैं ऐसे ही आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन देता रहूँगा. आप देखिए, लिखिए आंसर, शेयर द आंसर्स, and I'll give you my feedback. You need more of conversations on the questions rather than a course or a test series directly. Shabbir Edukemi for IAS Telegram channel.
Geography Optional Foundation course by Shabbir sir, where you will get live interactive classes and course completion in a module based approach. Scan the QR code and join now.